Hi, babes. We have finally arrived in Madrid and we had a few hiccups on the way. What's a vacation with the Delaveaus without hiccups? No vacation at all. So, you guys last saw us when we were on the metro heading from the airport to our hotel. Just as we were about to exit the hotel, a voice in my head says, Mel, look down. Look down, and there was a wallet in front of me. A wallet with ID, bunch of bank cards, probably like 4 bank cards, health card, every kind, your whole life, in a wallet. Money, I don't even know how much money in it. Hi faves, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new day here in Barcelona. Today is the 31st. It's Halloween. Happy Halloween to everyone who is celebrating. Oh, I'm wearing my Halloween colors. Didn't even realize it. Oh, girl. It's our last day here in Barcelona. We have an early flight, early afternoon flight, heading to Madrid. So there you guys guess it. If you guess down below in the previous vlogs where we were going and you guessed Madrid, you were right. So we have a flight to Madrid for the next few days. So we are up early. We have a taxi picking us up at 9:30. So we're having breakfast this morning. Mama is talking. What do you say? Can I help you? Say good morning.
Good morning.
What do you want to say?
We're the first one.
Yes, we're the 31.
But what do you want to do? Halloween.
Yes, it's Halloween.
We have to put this.
What is the gizmo in English? Costume. We'll see. Eat. Enjoy your breakfast. She's too funny. Let's show you guys the rest of the squad. Say good morning.
Good morning.
He say wearing this shirt for Halloween. He's too funny. And you say good morning. Oh, you're in Halloween color too. Didn't even realize universe aligned like that.
Mama.
Yes, Sarah.
Yeah.
You say good morning.
Yeah. Purple.
Eating. You have purple. Yes, you look nice.
What's Halloween?
Yes, it can also be. I've been seeing a lot of purple and black in recent years. Look at this boy. Okay, your good morning gonna miss you.
No. Buenos dias.
So that's our breakfast view. Beautiful. The sky looks good in comparison to yesterday where we were wetting and running in rain. Today looks good, which means that our flight, hopefully fingers crossed, won't be delayed and we'll reach our destination. How long is our flight, babe?
About an hour and a half.
About an hour and a half. Okay. If we had taken like a train, how long would it be? Like all day travel?
No idea.
Ain't nobody got time for that with kids. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna enjoy my breakfast. Let me show you guys what I'm having this morning. So that's my plate. I'm gonna enjoy breakfast and hit the road. See you guys soon.
Allez, c'est parti.
It's time to go. Say bye to the room.
Bye.
Bye.
C'est parti.
We're heading out. Let's go. Destination number 2.
I can say it.
Hmm?
I can say the destination number 2.
I already told them, but you can say it.
Madrid.
Oh, yeah.
Madrid. This
Go, go.
This city where Mbappe is playing.
Allez, go.
You have the key? You leave the coke on the water? No. You drop the water in the bin. I'll leave the coca here. The housekeepers can have it. Shh. Never play in the hallway, guys. Ty, go. Click the elevator. Elevator.
Yes.
can walk go that way. They have the same vibe as Mexico. Same energy as Mexico.
Less than Mexico.
Yeah,
Mexico,
yeah.
all year, you can imagine Halloween.
Babes, can you imagine Mexico look like Halloween all year? Can you imagine during Halloween how they are? And that is so true. Skeleton everywhere.
It's such a big feeling to say Dia de la Muerte.
Whatever that means.
It's the day of
The dead.
So
Aha.
it's like they believe that is the day when the dead people come to visit us, but not in a bad way, in a good way.
Lego store. Anyway, our flight is delayed again for about 20 minutes so far. Burger King. So let's see. Let's head towards Burger King. Anyway, you guys, we made it to the airport. Check-in fine.
Mama,
Yes, Sarah.
why there's a hamburger?
Why there's a hamburger? Because there's Burger King over there.
Yeah.
Airport is huge. Very
Everything.
crowd.
Hear me? If you spread it, we're gonna put everything in one.
Yeah, we'll see. Just spread on what you want to eat. It's easier that way. Quick catch up before we head to the plane. Stop at Burger King, and you'll learn that each country you go to, the fast food serves something that the other country don't serve. We just bought wings in the Burger King, and they said it actually tastes good. Sarah and her cheesy fries all day. She never fail. Look at her. Sarah, it's good. Yummy. So let's dig in before this flight, because you ain't getting no food on this flight, short. It's short. 1 hour 30 maximum.
Vamos a facilitar unas instrucciones de seguridad para este vuelo. Por favor, presten la máxima atención y en caso de duda, consulten las instrucciones de seguridad situadas en el bolsillo del asiento. We are about to give you some safety instructions for this flight. Please pay close attention, and if you have any doubts, please refer to the safety instructions located in the seat pocket in front of you. Los cinturones se abrochan, ajustan y desabrochan tal como estamos mostrando. Les recomendamos que lo mantengan abrochado durante todo el vuelo. Seat belt should be fastened.
Ready?
Only my head.
Ready? It's gonna go flying. Ready? Oh, let's see.
Fast.
No, not yet.
Almost.
Yeah.
I'll do that. It's fast.
Not yet.
Fast.
It's gonna go fast. Sit back now. Go back. All the way back.
Concentrate.
Should I do when you go in toilet?
Sarah. Ah, hear the sound?
Yes.
That means it's gonna go fast. Already. Stop. Calm down, Sarah. Calm down. Hi, babes. We have finally arrived in Madrid and we had a few hiccups on the way. What's a vacation with the Delaveaus without hiccups? No vacation at all. So, you guys last saw us when we were on the metro heading from the airport to our hotel. Just as we were about to exit the hotel, a voice in my head says, Mel, look down. Look down, and there was a wallet in front of me. A wallet with ID, bunch of bank cards, probably like 4 bank cards, health card, every kind, your whole life, in a wallet. Money, I don't even know how much money in it. I didn't care. Everything was just there. At this point, Babe and Tyler already went through the checkout, and me and Sarah was on the other side about to come through. I'm like, babe, I just pick up a wallet. There's a wallet in front of me. You're on the bank? A bank number just come to me.
Okay.
You want it?
Yes.
So I found a wallet, and Spain is just full of so much pickpockets. I didn't know who to trust in this moment. I didn't want to just give it to the people I see around the station because, I mean, not security, but I feel like people restocking different shops and machines, and I didn't want to just go to them because I wanted to ensure that this man was going to get back his ID. If anyone watching in Spain and I don't know, for some miracle reason I heard that someone lost their wallet and looking for it, it's at the police station. So finally we tried to call the man bank to see if they could help us, to contact the man to tell him that I find his thing, because there was no contact number, no nothing in, no address, no business card, no nothing in his wallet where we could contact him directly. So it was so sad because I really wanted to ensure that this man get back his wallet with everything in it. When you look at his ID, you can see that he's an old man. When babe look at his date, he says he's about 50 years old.
No,
We try.
He's not old.
Babe says not old, 50, but I mean,
50 is not old
I look
at
at
all.
his. I always stand there just to see if he's gonna come back. Nothing. We were there for like 45 minutes.
Probably didn't.
He didn't probably don't even realize all now that his thing's
when he realized he
gone.
lost it,
He's
he don't
probably
know,
home, which is so sad. We saw somebody passing. We tried to stop people to ask them if they speak English, if they can assist us to let this man get back his wallet. Nothing. So our final resort was going to the police. So we took the wallet to the police, and the police said that if the man don't call the police station to get the wallet will just be at the police station. So I'm like, will you guys at least call him to ensure that he get back his wallet? But based off their response, it doesn't even seem like they're going to call him to ensure that he get back his wallet, which is really sad. I was even saying to the police when I'm walking away, please, can you ensure that he get back his wallet? And they were like, okay. And then he said that we need your ID. So they take our ID. So I said, why? He said, because in 2 years, if anyone doesn't get back the wallet is going to be returned to you. It's yours. I'm like, what? I'm like, this is just so sad. I really wanted to give it back to him personally. We tried everything we could, but because we're in a country that we don't speak the language, we don't know who to turn to, it's just sad. Very sad. And there were no office in the metro station that you could bring it to. So probably he could pass back another day to say, I think this is where I lost it. Did anyone report it found? It's just so sad. I hope he gets it back. I really, really hope he gets it back. It would make my heart happy. But how am I gonna know? I'll never know. I just have to leave it in the hands of the Almighty and trust that everybody that I pass it on to will do the right thing and assist in letting him get it back. If it was up to me, I'd do everything in my power to let that man get back his wallet today. But anyway, it is what it is. So we're here in Madrid. So I'm resting my feet a bit because they're burning. and then we're gonna go explore Madrid a bit. So let the rest of the vacation begins or continue. Anyway, guys, see you guys later.